I love trading.
Hey, what's up? Welcome to Excel Insights, where wisdom meets purpose. Each session, we're going to take a few moments to slow down, think deeper, and explore practical insights that strengthens our faith, our character, our leadership, and our everyday lives. Whether the topic is business, finances, personal growth, relationships, or biblical wisdom, every insight is designed to challenge your thinking and encourage wise decisions that produce lasting results. So settle in, open your heart and your mind, and prepare to discover an insight that can make a difference today. This is Excel Insights. Hey, let's begin.
You must be out of
You know how CB do. CB be working.
Yeah, I'm here.
Oh,
There you go. Happy birthday, brother.
Happy
That was a
birthday,
TV
boy.
voice
Where
right
you
there.
at?
You hear that
Hey,
TV
hold
voice?
on, man. Hold on. Let's see. Boy, let's see.
Come on, man.
Where you at,
Say that
dog?
again, bro.
Let's see where you at, boy. Happy birthday, CB. Happy birthday.
Wow. Wow. Wow, wow.
Hey,
Wow.
Hey, you and Greg, y'all, what y'all had this morning, man? What?
I had my protein this morning. My wife said, don't you get up another day and don't take your protein.
Me and fish don't do that.
What say protein don't do that?
Move it down. So I said, I'm glad I got here early.
Hey, CB, man, how I feel, man, to be another year older, man? You good, dog?
Same as did yesterday.
Well, that's what's up, man. You did anything special, bro?
Yeah, not today. Just a work thing. Wife gonna do something for me over the weekend, though. So we'll see how that turns out. She never misses,
Hey.
so I'm excited.
Let's see. Hey, let's check it out, dog. Hey, you put, let me see. Where's the birthday information? Did you put your birthday stuff in there, man? Yo, not stuff.
I believe so. When I created my account, I believe so.
But you gotta put your setup. Yeah. I don't think you set up. Did you set up your Cash App and all that stuff, dog?
Oh no, thank you.
Oh, damn, bro. No, hey, bro. Hey, that's how they bless you up, dog.
They get a cup of coffee, bro.
I don't even drink coffee, but thank you.
Okay, well, whatever you drink in the morning. I don't water.
That I
Alright,
do.
so, hey, y'all. Hey, one more time, man. Hey, your boy CB with Excel Insights.
All right. So first, I wanna give thanks to for you guys celebrating my birthday. I want to thank you for that. But I was thinking, and I do have a question, and this is open to the floor. Anyone can answer this question. And the question is, what are you going to do when paying your bills is no longer your primary reason for going to work? Do you have a plan? And if you do have a plan, what's that plan look like?
Repeat that question again.
What are you going to do when paying your bills is no longer the primary reason for you going to work? You're going to go clock in. You're giving somebody 8, 10, 12 hours of your life. What's that plan? What's that? What does your day look like? What does your week look
You
like?
know how
What's your month
CB
look
do.
like?
CB be working.
Yeah, I'm here.
Oh,
There you go. Happy birthday, brother.
Happy
That was a
birthday,
TV
boy.
voice
Where
right
you
there.
at?
You hear that
Hey,
TV
hold
voice?
on, man. Hold on. Let's see, boy. Let's see.
Come on, man.
Let's see
Yeah,
where
I
you
think
at.
it
is. Yep.
Let's see where you at, boy. Happy birthday.
That's what I'm striving for.
Yeah, I just never thought of it like that, but that's good. Thanks, CB.
Wow. Wow. Wow, wow.
You know what they say: if you fail to plan, you
Wow.
Hey, you
plan
and
to fail.
Greg, y'all, what y'all had this morning, man? What?
So we
I had my
can't
protein this
hope to
morning. My
get
wife
in the
said,
game
don't you get up
and
another
then know
day and
how to
don't
play
take your
just
protein.
because we're sitting on the sideline. We gotta have a plan. We gotta know what's next in our life. Our life is going to deal us anything. And we're going to be left with just
So I said, I'm glad I got here
responding
early.
to what life is dealing with us versus us dealing
Hey,
with the
CB, man, how I
things
feel, man,
prior
to be
to it
another year older,
even
man.
coming into reality. Same as did yesterday.
Well, that's what's up, man.
You gotta make these things happen. You gotta plan for these things to happen. Because if you don't plan for it, how do we know it even happened? We'll see how that turns out. We didn't see it coming. She never
Hey,
didn't even know it passed us by.
Let's see. Hey, let's check it out, dog. Hey, let me see. Where's the birthday information?
So I implore everybody
put your
under the
birthday
sound of
stuff
my
in there,
voice,
man?
if
Yo,
you do not have a
I
plan
believe so when I
for
created
what
my
your
account. I
life
believe
looks
so.
like after you ain't got to go to
but you
work
gotta
no
put your
more, take a little time, build
set
out
up.
that
Yeah,
plan.
I don't think you set up. Did you set up your Cash App and all that stuff, dog?
Just spin your boy CB, the Excel Insight. Come out.
Hey, that's how they bless you up.
Thank you for joining this week's edition of Excel
Get a cup of
Insights.
coffee,
We
bro.
hope today's message encouraged you,
Drink coffee, but thank
challenged your thinking, and gave you practical wisdom
Whatever you
you
drinking
can apply
tonight.
throughout the week.
I don't
Remember,
want.
growth happens one decision at a
Yeah,
time,
that'll do.
and wisdom becomes
Hey, y'all.
powerful
Hey, one
when it
more
is
time,
put
man. Hey,
into
your
practice.
plan.
Join us next time for another inspiring edition of Excel Insights, where we continue pursuing truth, wisdom, and excellence together.
You guys
Until next time,
celebrate my
may
birthday.
God bless you,
Thank you.
guide you, and strengthen you as you continue your journey towards excellence. See you next time on Excel Insights. Samuel J. Strong III.
Every opportunity.
I'm out.
Stay patient. Stay disciplined. Stay thankful. Because I love trading. Samuel J. Strong. Hey,